Today we're going to demonstrate how to use the map array action in Engini. The map array activity allows you to transform a data list that contains multiple pieces of data into a new data list based on the properties and values you choose. In this example, we will retrieve some opportunities from Salesforce and use the map array action to display only the relevant data according to our needs. We can assign custom names to each property and initialize them with the matching values from the output we received. The workflow is triggered manually, but you can always schedule it or trigger it via a webhook. First, we'll use the getRecords action to retrieve some opportunities from Salesforce. Next, we'll apply the map array action to the opportunity data list. In this case, we want to display only the name, stage, and tracking number of each opportunity, using the matching fields from the previous action's output. You can always choose as many properties as needed and give them meaningful names based on your requirements. Now, let's test the workflow and examine the output. As you can see, the output displays only the relevant data we selected. Imagine dealing with a large data set containing unnecessary fields. You can easily filter out the fields you don't need or rename them to something more convenient, making it much easier to proceed with other actions in your workflow. And that's it. Map Array is a powerful tool for organizing your data in a way that best suits your needs. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.